Royalton Bavaro, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort and casino, sits in the Dominican Republic under Blue Diamond Resorts management. Here's something most travel videos won't tell you. This property operates two distinct pool environments, the Diamond Club Pool and the Royalton Pool, which means the resort essentially functions as two experiences under one roof. Understanding which pool zone aligns with your room category before you book can dramatically reshape your entire stay, from where you'll spend your mornings to how crowded your lounging area feels during peak season. That structural division isn't just about looks, it's about crowd management and service tiers, and knowing this upfront helps you decide whether upgrading to Diamond Club access justifies the price difference for how you like to travel. The resort offers accommodations under the Luxury Junior Suite Ocean View Diamond Club category, though the exact square footage and maximum occupancy details aren't publicly listed on their official channels. What we do know is that Diamond Club rooms grant access to the dedicated Diamond Club pool area, which operates as a more exclusive zone within the larger resort. Think of Diamond Club as the VIP section at a concert, same venue, same headliner, but a different vantage point and a quieter crowd. The Ocean View designation means your balcony or terrace faces the Caribbean, though the specific floor plans, bedding configurations, and in-room amenity lists aren't detailed in the available materials. Without confirmed details on minibar policies, turn-down service frequency, or bathroom layouts, it's hard to paint a complete picture of the room experience. What's clear is that the Diamond Club tier exists as a deliberate upgrade path, separating guests who want a buffer from the main resort energy from those who prefer being in the thick of the action near the Royalton Pool. If you're the type who values a quieter pool scene and potentially faster bar service, the Diamond Club distinction matters. If you plan to spend most of your day off property or don't care about poolside real estate, the standard Royalton tier rooms might deliver the same sleep quality and ocean views without the upcharge. Dining options at Royalton Bavaro aren't detailed in the verified source material, which is unusual for an all-inclusive resort of this scale. Typically, properties in this category offer multiple specialty restaurants, a buffet venue, and several bars, but without confirmed restaurant names, cuisine types, operating hours, or reservation policies, we can't walk you through what a typical dinner rotation looks like here. What we can say is that all-inclusive resorts in the Dominican Republic generally lean heavily on international buffet spreads for breakfast and lunch, with a la carte restaurants handling dinner service. You'd expect to find at least one Italian spot, a steakhouse, maybe a Japanese hibachi concept, and a Caribbean or fusion option, but none of that is confirmed for this property in the available data. The absence of detailed dining information is a red flag for trip planning because knowing whether reservations are required, whether there's a dress code, and how many restaurants are adults-only versus family-friendly directly impacts your daily schedule. If you're booking this resort, reach out to the property directly or consult your travel agent for the current restaurant lineup, because showing up without a game plan at a large all-inclusive can mean long waits or limited availability at the venues you actually want to try. The two pool zones we mentioned earlier, Diamond Club Pool and Royalton Pool, are both outdoor and located on the resort property. The Diamond Club Pool serves guests staying in Diamond Club room categories, creating a more controlled environment with fewer loungers competing for space. The Royalton Pool is the main hub for the broader guest population, which typically means livelier energy, more families, and a higher likelihood of poolside activities and music. Neither pool's dimensions, depth range, or specific features like swim-up bars, infinity edges, or integrated hot tubs are confirmed in the source material, so we can't tell you whether you're looking at a sprawling lagoon-style design or a more compact rectangular layout. What matters more than size is understanding that your room category determines which pool becomes your default base, and that distinction shapes the rhythm of your day. If you're traveling as a couple seeking a quieter vibe, the Diamond Club Pool is worth considering. If you're with kids who want to be where the action is, or if you simply don't care about poolside exclusivity, the Royalton Pool will serve you just fine. Beach access isn't detailed in the available information, which is a notable gap. We don't know if the resort sits directly on the sand, whether the beach is shared with neighboring properties, if there are palapas or reserved loungers, or what the ocean conditions are like for swimming. For a Caribbean resort, those are critical details, and their absence here means you'll need to do additional homework before assuming this is a true beach-centric experience. The Royal Spa operates as the resort's full-service wellness facility, open daily from 8:30 in the morning until 8 at night, and appointments are required. Services span a wide menu including body scrubs, couples massages, facials, manicures, pedicures, general massages, scalp and hair treatments, and men's grooming services. There's also a kids services option, which suggests the spa accommodates family wellness routines, not just adult pampering. The facility itself includes a lap pool, a plunge pool, a steam room, and separate men's and women's lounges, which means the spa functions as more than just a treatment room. It's It's a dedicated wellness environment where you can spend a few hours cycling through hydrotherapy and relaxation zones. Makeup services are available, which is useful if you're planning a wedding, vow renewal, or special event photography session on property. The presence of a lap pool indicates the spa caters to guests who want structured aquatic exercise, not just lounging, and the plunge pool offers cold water contrast therapy after steam or sauna sessions. The steam room is a solid addition, especially in a tropical climate where guests might not think they need heat therapy, but it works wonders for muscle recovery after travel or beach activities. The separate lounges for men and women suggest a more traditional spa layout, which some guests prefer for privacy and others find unnecessarily divided. The 8:30 to 8 operating window is fairly standard but means early risers and late-night spa seekers are out of luck. If you want a morning massage before breakfast or a post-dinner treatment, you'll need to book strategically within that time frame. The appointment required policy is non-negotiable, so don't assume you can walk in for a last-minute facial on a rainy afternoon without calling ahead. The fitness center, branded as Royalton Fit, is complimentary for all guests and includes cardiovascular equipment such as elliptical machines, exercise bikes, and treadmills, plus strength training gear including free weights, weight machines, a dual adjustable pulley, a lat pull-down machine, and a chest press. The facility also offers live fitness programming, including yoga, cardio classes, and access to fitness trainers on request. This is a respectable gym setup for a resort, going beyond the token treadmill and dumbbell combo you sometimes find at all-inclusives. The inclusion of specific machines like the dual adjustable pulley and lat pull-down means you can maintain a legitimate strength routine if you're someone who doesn't want to lose a week of training progress while on vacation. The elliptical and bike options give you low-impact cardio alternatives if running isn't your thing, or if the tropical heat makes outdoor exercise unbearable. Free weights and a chest press round out the basics, though we don't have details on the weight range or whether there are benches for accessory lifts. The live fitness classes and on-request trainers elevate the offering significantly, turning the gym from a solo grind into a potential group activity or guided session. Yoga classes in a resort setting can range from gentle beachside stretching to serious vinyasa flows, so ask about class intensity if that matters to you. The complimentary access is a nice touch. Some resorts charge for premium fitness programming, so having it included in your all-inclusive rate adds tangible value if you're someone who actually uses it. Kids services appear at the spa level, suggesting the resort accommodates families, but there's no detailed information on dedicated kids clubs, supervised activity programs, age-specific play zones, or childcare services. For a property of this size and brand positioning, you typically expect a kids club with structured daily programming, themed activities, and age-separated groups, but none of that is confirmed here. The mention of kids spa services is interesting because it suggests the resort acknowledges younger guests as part of the wellness ecosystem, which could mean anything from gentle facials for teens to fun mani-pedi sessions for younger children. Without specifics on age ranges, operating hours, or whether the kids club is complimentary or fee-based, it's tough to plan a family itinerary confidently. If you're traveling with children and relying on supervised programming to carve out adult time, contact the resort directly to confirm what's actually available, because the gap in publicly available information here is significant. Nearby attractions aren't covered in the verified source material, which is a notable omission for a resort located in Bavaro, a region known for excursions like zip lining through tropical canopy, catamaran trips to Sayana Island, dune buggy adventures, and cultural tour of local towns. The absence of this information doesn't mean there's nothing to do off-property. It just means we can't confirm partnerships, shuttle services, or recommended operators based on the available data. Bavaro is part of the Punta Cana tourism corridor, so you're within range of dozens of tour operators, but whether the resort has preferred vendors, on-site booking desks, or package deals isn't documented here. The Royalton Bavaro holds a 3.5 out of 5 rating on Costco Travel based on 464 reviews, which is a middling score that suggests a mixed guest experience. A 3.5 rating typically reflects a property that delivers on some fronts while falling short on others, whether that's inconsistent service, maintenance issues, dining quality fluctuations, or mismatched expectations around room categories. Without access to the breakdown by category or verbatim guest quotes, we can't pinpoint the exact friction points, but that score is low enough to warrant caution and high enough to suggest the resort isn't fundamentally broken. Some guests clearly had positive stays, others didn't, and the aggregate lands in that murky middle zone where your experience will likely depend heavily on which room you book, what time of year you visit, and how well you manage your expectations around all-inclusive resort realities. The 464 review count is substantial, meaning this isn't a score based on a handful of outliers. It's a reasonably robust sample size that reflects a consistent pattern of guest sentiment. What makes Royalton Bavaro genuinely different is its dual pool structure and the Diamond Club tier system, which essentially creates a resort within a resort dynamic. That's not common at every all-inclusive, and it offers a clear upgrade path for guests willing to pay more for a quieter, more exclusive experience without leaving the property entirely. The affiliation with Autograph Collection, Marriott's soft brand for independent properties with distinctive character, suggests the resort aims for a more curated identity than a cookie-cutter chain. Though without detailed information on design elements, signature programming, or unique partnerships, it's hard to say how much that branding translates into tangible guest experience. The presence of a casino noted in the official name adds a nightlife and entertainment dimension that not all Bavaro resorts offer, though specifics on the casino's size, game selection, or operating hours aren't available in the source material. The all-inclusive model here means your room rate bundles accommodations, meals, drinks, and access to pools, fitness, and non-motorized water sports, though the exact inclusions and exclusions aren't detailed. Typically, all-inclusive resorts charge extra for premium alcohol, motorized water sports, spa treatments, and off-site excursions, but without a confirmed breakdown, it's smart to ask for a full inclusions list before booking. The value proposition of all-inclusive depends entirely on how much you eat and drink, whether you'd otherwise spend money on activities, and whether you prefer the convenience of prepaid versus the flexibility of a la carte. For families or groups who plan to stay on property most of the time and maximize resort amenities, all-inclusive can deliver real savings. For travelers who want to explore the region, eat at local restaurants, or spend minimal time at the resort, you're often better off with a room-only rate and paying as you go. No hotel operates flawlessly, and the 3.5 out of 5 rating on Costco travel signals that guest experiences here vary. Without access to detailed complaints or recurring themes from reviews, we can't point to specific pain points, but scores in that range often correlate with issues like slow restaurant service, inconsistent room cleanliness, or communication gaps between guests and staff. It's also possible that some guests booked expecting a boutique autograph collection vibe and encountered a large-scale all-inclusive reality, leading to mismatched expectations. Your experience will likely hinge on managing those expectations, confirming details in advance, and being flexible when things don't go exactly as planned. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.